Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teaches Django. Comment to make friendlier code. Now, what is a comment? Okay, comments are basically lines of code that are ignored. What they do is they add context, but no functionality whatsoever. This is the starting comment, and this is the end comment. Okay, and these separate tags, they allow for multi-line comments. If you want to, perhaps add a whole paragraph that describes what your code does, you can use this syntax, okay? Comment description. This is to help you remember why you had the comment in the first place and any extra messages that you would want to deliver to others, okay? It's like further context for the context that you've added. And this is what it looks like. We have comment, the top part, and then you have the double quote and you add in, this is the purpose of comments, all right? You can see how this comes into handy, yeah? Now, there's another version of the elongated multi-line comment, which is mullet comment, a shorthand for short comments. And this is all you need. These two symbols is all you need, short comment. And, it does look way friendlier compared to the multi-line syntax, and it does look more straightforward, easier to read. Okay, it gives you friendlier code. And not to mention, in the views.py file, comment goes a long way. Since views are written in Python, you can use the Python comment syntax, which is basically this. It is a little bit shorter than the Django one. Now that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Next topic, we're going to be diving deeper into query set, okay? And you can buy me a coffee if you want. The link is in the description, and I would really, really appreciate that. I would appreciate you. And have a wonderful day.